lahir batin. Amin.
Amin.
So today we have been out at the island of Karampuang, and we've just been practicing doing some underwater videography, and just like practicing while we've been snorkeling. We had some business to do here, and yeah, we've been here before. The reason we're trying kind of getting used to using the GoPro 10 underwater and what settings are good, and just been hanging out with people. And this is it right here. This is, hey buddy, how are you doing? Hi. This is the dock here, the pier, and this is a little spot to snorkel, and there's a little dive center in Mamuju City where you can come and dive out here. And you can kind of tell, like in the outskirts, the reef has been a bit torn up, but like it's over the last several years they've started to take care of it and maintain it a little bit more, especially around this pier, because they recognize that it's a place that can bring in tourism. And so this pier was built several years ago, and it's in need of maintenance. But yeah, this is Karampuang Island. Mamuju City is over that way. You can see it over there. It's a beautiful view of the mountains.